Have you ever had to say goodbye to your favorite shampoo or lotion at airport security? It's a travel bummer we've all experienced. That sinking feeling as a TSA agent tosses your precious liquids into the bin of forgotten toiletries. But why does this happen? Why do our liquids still get confiscated? Let's break it down. The TSA's 311 rule is designed to keep us safe. It means you can carry liquids, gels, and aerosols in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, all fitting into a single quart-sized, clear, resealable plastic bag. This rule helps screeners quickly identify potential threats. But even with this rule, many travelers still lose their liquids. One common reason is that travelers forget certain items like peanut butter, yogurt, and even some cosmetics are considered liquids. These items often get overlooked and end up being confiscated. Additionally, if your liquid containers are larger than 3.4 ounces, even if they're not full, they'll be taken away. To avoid this, always double-check what's in your bag before you head to the airport. Remember, medications, baby formula, and breast milk are exceptions to the rule, but must be declared at the checkpoint. Pack smart by placing your liquid bag at the top of your carry-on for easy access. This will speed up the screening process and reduce stress. Also, consider investing in travel-sized containers and refilling them with your favorite products. This way, you won't have to part with your favorite product. Next, let's dive into the general TSA guidelines and rules for liquids. I will break down the often confusing world of TSA liquid regulations. Many travelers fall victim to common misconceptions about what is and isn't allowed through security. Oversized bottles, forgetting to place liquids in a separate bag, or misidentifying a gel as a solid can lead to delays and frustration. Common items like peanut butter, lotion, and drinks often break the rules. Let's clear up the confusion and ensure you're well prepared. The TSA 3-to-1-1 rule is simple. Each liquid, gel, or aerosol must be in a container no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. All containers must fit in one quart-sized, clear plastic bag, and each traveler is allowed one bag. Easy peasy, right? Next, let's dive into liquids, gels, aerosols. One common area of confusion is understanding exactly what falls under the categories of liquids, gels, and aerosols. The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, has specific guidelines that travelers must follow to ensure a smooth and safe journey through airport security. These rules are in place to protect passengers and crew from potential threats that could be posed by certain substances. Liquids are self-explanatory, but gels encompass items like toothpaste, hair gel, and creamy cosmetics. It's important to remember that these items must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, and all containers must fit into a single, quart-sized, clear, resealable plastic bag. This rule is often referred to as the 3-1-1 liquids rule. Aerosols include anything that is dispensed as a spray, such as deodorant, hairspray, and sunscreen. These items also need to comply with the 3-1-1 rule. It's crucial to check the labels and ensure that the containers are properly sealed to prevent any leaks or spills during your journey. Additionally, some items that you might not immediately think of as liquids, gels, or aerosols can still fall under these categories. For example, peanut butter, yogurt, and even certain types of cheese are considered gels and must adhere to the same regulations. However, there are exceptions to the 3-1-1 rule. Medications, baby formula, and breast milk are allowed in quantities greater than 3.4 ounces, but must be declared at the security checkpoint. Always double-check the TSA guidelines before packing to avoid any surprises at the security checkpoint. Next, let's talk about new updates in TSA security screenings. New technologies, like advanced CT scanners, are being implemented at airports nationwide. These scanners can provide more detailed and accurate images of passengers' luggage, enhancing security personnel's ability to detect potential threats. These scanners can create detailed three-dimensional images of baggage contents, potentially leading to a relaxation of liquid restrictions in the future. This means that passengers may soon be able to carry larger quantities of liquids in their hand luggage without the need for separate containers or plastic bags. Gap.1s. Next, let's get into packing tips for liquids. Packing liquids efficiently can save you time and hassle. Invest in travel-size containers and reusable TSA-approved toiletry bags. Consider packing liquids in your checked luggage whenever possible. For essential carry-on items, place your quart-sized bag at the top of your suitcase for easy access. Here is your stress-free travel checklist for packing liquids. Before you head to the airport, double-check your carry-on luggage for any oversized liquids. Remember to remove your quart-sized bag of liquids and place it in a separate bin for screening. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free security experience. Check the video descriptions for recommended travel essentials. There you have it. Bon voyage and stay informed. Congratulations, you're now a TSA liquid rule expert. Before you pack your bags, make sure to check out our next video on banned items in checked bags. Knowing what you can and can't bring will save you time and hassle at the airport. Click on the link and get ahead of the game. Safe travels.